Copying and pasting is one of the most basic but essential skills every Mac user should know. Whether you're copying text from a website, moving files in Finder, or duplicating images, macOS makes the process quick and simple. In this tutorial, we will show you several ways to copy and paste on your Mac, including keyboard shortcuts, right-click options, and menu bar commands. In the first method, we will show you how to copy and paste using keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are the fastest way to copy and paste on a Mac. To copy, select the text, image, or file you want to copy. Press Command plus C on your keyboard. The selected item is now copied to your clipboard. To paste, click where you want to place the copied content. Press Command plus V. Your copied text, images, or files will immediately appear. In addition to copying and pasting with keyboard, you can also copy and paste using right-click. If you prefer using your mouse or trackpad, highlight the text or select the file, right-click with your mouse, or click with two fingers on a trackpad. Choose Copy. Now to paste it, right-click where you want to paste, or press with two fingers on the trackpad. From the menu, select Paste. This works in most Mac apps, including Safari, Notes, Mail, Pages, and Finder. You can also use the menu bar. Select the content you want to copy, click Edit in the menu bar, choose Copy, move to the destination, click Edit again, and select Paste. This method is helpful if you are still learning Mac keyboard shortcuts. If you want to move text instead of copying it, select the text, press Command plus X to cut it, move to the new location, and press Command plus V to paste it. The text will be removed from its original location and placed in the new one. While you can use this for text, Finder doesn't support Command plus X action for moving files. Now to move files without creating a duplicate, select the file, press Command plus C, open the destination folder, press Option plus Command plus V. Instead of copying the file, macOS moves it to the new location. Sometimes, copied text keeps its original font, color, or size. To match the formatting of your current document, copy the text normally using Command plus C. In supported apps, press Option plus Shift plus Command plus V, or choose Paste and Match style from the Edit menu. This will paste only the plain text while matching the surrounding formatting. You can also copy and paste between Apple devices. If your Mac and iPhone or iPad are signed into the same Apple account with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and handoff enabled, you can use Universal Clipboard. With this, you can copy text on your iPhone, switch to your Mac, and press Command plus V. This will automatically paste onto your Mac. We have done a complete tutorial on how to set up Universal Keyboard and use it across your Apple devices. You can find the link to that tutorial in the description of this video. If you can't copy and paste on Mac, make sure the item you are trying to copy can actually be copied. Close and reopen the app, restart your Mac, check if your keyboard shortcuts are working properly, update macOS to the latest version, and if Universal Keyboard isn't working, ensure Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and handoff are enabled on both devices. That's all there is to copying and pasting on a Mac. Whether you use keyboard shortcuts, right-click menus, or edit menu, macOS makes it easy to copy text, images, and files. Once you learn these shortcuts, you will be able to work much faster every day. If this guide helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to iOS Hacker, and check out other Mac tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.